Man, we showed up to Keystone thinking we were gonna have a powder day because at my house I had almost 4 inches of snow. I was super excited. We show up to Keystone, no snow. So then we had no topic for the day. I was like, what are we gonna do? And then I remembered that the Ace Pro that Insta360 just came out with has incredible slow motion. So let's put this thing in 120 frames per second. Let's go rip, try and get some rad slow-mo shots. And then in today's video, I'm gonna talk about slow motion and snowboarding and skiing and when should you be slow-moing, all kinds of stuff like that. So it's gonna be like a vlog kind of focused around slow motion. Should be sick. Anyways, here we go. Let's snowboard.
It be like that, and they with the gang in the city where we live, cause they know we really like that. Yeah, we set the bar high in the hood for the win, ain't nobody really like that. Tell me, baby, what you like that? Sometimes I like that.
Woo! I'm so chilly.
Ride with you cause you different. Ride with the help me manifest the vision.
I tried to be smooth with it. We can get another one. I slipped out.
Take her straight from the hood, having someone living royal. With the way you better me, how you let it know.
Slow motion and snowboarding, you see it a lot. It's gorgeous when it's done correctly. You could totally screw up slow motion by starting the slow-mo a trick too soon. Usually the point of emphasis that you want to show the slow-mo part is what you want to slow-mo. So if we're slow-moing hitting a rail or something, we don't want to slow-mo literally jumping onto the rail, sliding the rail, jumping off the rail. Usually what you want to slow-mo is like just getting off the rail. Or if we're slow-moing a butter trick, it's not the whole trick, it's not the initiation part, unless that's what you want to slow-mo. It's like usually the point of pause that you slow-mo. The holding of the trick is what gets slow motion, and then you cut it away, and that's what makes slow-mo beautiful. Or, you know, slow-moing the environment, what's around you. But people don't have a crazy long attention span. So if your slow motion is going like 5, 6, 7 seconds long, you're gonna lose the attention of the people watching your video. And I'm sure a lot of you guys don't really make content, but I would think you agree. People that don't really make content tend to be the ones that abuse slow motion the most.
Well, when you're first starting out, it's like new to you. So it, like anything you do the first time, it's like, I want more. More abundance.
The slow-mo is the perfect less is more.
True. And speed ramp. It's all about the speed ramp to the slow-mo, because you don't want to just cut your clip in your regular speed. Oh, now you're slow.
You talk way too much. Let's go snowboard. Guys, this is Trailer Tom, and Tom graciously put me in his snowboard movie. I cannot thank you enough for that, Tom. It was a really cool experience. And you've seen Tom in the black outfit. You've also seen him as Molo, NTT, and Red Ice. And Tom, tell us about your snowboard movie. What inspired you to make a sci-fi snowboard movie?
I just love science fiction, and I would ask everyone, what kind of movie would you like to see? Science fiction was usually the answer, and so was, what would you want to see in a science fiction snowboard film? And I was honored to have you in that mix and film with you and have you part of the whole project.
So if you want to check out the project, one, it's linked right here, but two, go check out my full part, and it was really rad. It's some older of my snowboarding, so there's a good chance you might have not have seen that. And Tom, I can't wait to be a part of more of your adventures. He's got more coming with those characters, with all of it, and stay tuned. We're gonna keep you updated on all of it. They almost got the snow fort fully done. I've been doing double nose grabs a lot this year because Roman told me they were his favorite. And whenever he sees them in the video, he gets super excited. stomped it. Try this. Anyone that like needs to stop on a run, instead of digging your toes in, try digging your heels in. And then, dude, it's so comfortable. You gotta shift your weight forward while you do it. Weight forward. Try it at home. If you get it, send it to me on Instagram, which my Instagram's like right here. Okay. Now find your balance. I did this with Roman the other day. Find your balance point. He's on a Gilson. Guys, they finally opened River Run top to bottom, baby. This might be Keystone's first black diamond that's open too. It'd be really cool if it worked, but it's a bad idea. It was such a It's so sketchy to vlog here. It's so ingrained in me to look for yellow jackets. So I've been editing this channel for years, and then recently, you know, I got Cody, and Cody's been editing the videos, and so he's got some thoughts on slow-mo. And I'd be selfish if I was talking about slow-mo, but he's the one editing it. So Cody, what's your thoughts on slow-mo?
Well, if you're gonna use slow-mo, or really in your editing at all, like in general, the music is so important to like match the vibe and everything. If you're gonna use slow-mo, your music really needs to match like what you're doing with your slow-mo. Try to go for those like slower, like vibey, flowy songs.
Doors to the land, we wavy. Bad little mama tryna have a baby. In a coupe seat.
Or like hard rap. Don't you dare try to use a dubstep song and then like slow-mo a trail grab. I don't want to see it. Don't do that.
And then also, like, the songs sometimes have pauses in it. And if a song pauses, that's like the perfect time to give yourself a little bit of style.
Don't be afraid to like edit your music or like try to get that one part of the song right where you slow-mo it at the apex of the trick. Like, it's sick.
Editing music. You don't talk about that enough. All right, I know this is kind of a nerdy topic for today, but we kind of had to think of one on the spot. So once again, all the really cool slow-mo we filmed today was with the Ace Pro. This thing can do 120 frames per second. It's this 360's new camera. I made a whole video talking about it. You can check it out right here. Or if you just want the best ski and snowboard camera that I think is still on the market, it's the Insta360 X3. It's this camera right here. We technically filmed today with both of these cameras, so that's pretty cool. We have one that if we want to get really artsy, fancy slow-mo shots, we can do that. And then this one I still think kind of dominates for the vlogging. But Insta360 is a sponsor of this channel. We really appreciate them. If you want to give those guys some love. And if you use my link, there's a bunch of perks like the invisible pole, which is this guy right here, the snow bundle, all kinds of stuff we got. So check out the link for the Insta360 stuff down below. All right, this one's Chipmunk. Here we go. That's a super sick sticker you got there.
You've gotta be
What up, dude?
I've been waiting 3 years to meet you,
Yes,
dude.
let's go. What's your name?
What's up, Michael?
Dude, thanks for the support. Appreciate
man.
it.
Came through dripping like a phenom. 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us to run when I tell them.
So even though Keystone was supposed to have a lot more snow today and they don't have it, it snowed a bunch by my house and Steamboat's supposed to get puked on. So there is hope. We're gonna be riding some PAL soon. We're ready for it, guys. I hope you are too.
We got cheated today. We were so excited. I was cleaning snow off of my truck. I was getting the sandbags in there. Then we rode Grimmers.
Bend with the switch again. Boy deliver like he happened. Go with it, just give him estimate. Summer sauce for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make it sing, baby.
All right, Team Buckhouse, make sure you use this information. You use slow-mo correctly. And as always, thanks for riding with us today. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.